Hey, I am Scovia and I'm glad you clicked on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken tikka masala. Yeah, you heard me right. We're making chicken and you know I have so many chicken recipes, but I love chicken, so this is another recipe. So chicken tikka masala is an Indian cuisine. If you love Indian food, this is it and this is the video for you. So stay tuned until the end of the video and then you are going to learn how to make this awesome and delicious chicken tikka masala. I am excited. So in a bowl I have chicken breast. It is boneless. I have diced the chicken breast into cubes. So I am going to be adding my spices. So it is a very simple recipe, as I've said. So yeah, I have garam masala, turmeric, paprika and cumin. So that is what I'm going to be using, and also black pepper and salt. Yeah. So I'm going to add my spices in my chicken. Then I'm going to add juice of half a lemon, just like that. Then I'm going to add some of my crushed garlic and ginger, and you can find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Then I'm going to use my spatula and mix everything to combine. Marinating with garlic and ginger adds a lot of flavor to the dish because all that yumminess is going to get soaked up in the chicken, and hence your chicken is going to be very delicious. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Once everything is well combined, as you can see, I'm going to let my chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or refrigerate the chicken overnight. And overnight is always the best because I have no time to refrigerate my chicken overnight, I'm going to be doing it for 30 minutes. So see you after 30 minutes. Now my chicken is ready to cook. So I'm going to pick my pan. And then on medium flame, I'm going to add cooking oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to wait for the oil to get hot. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to add my chicken in the pan. Add the chicken in the pan. Then I'm going to wait for my chicken to cook. So I'm going to flip my chicken as it cooks. And you know how chicken breast usually cooks in a very short while. So this is not going to take so long. The aroma in the kitchen is amazing because we use garlic and ginger. And also the spices make the kitchen smell so good. And also make sure that your chicken is in one layer so that it can evenly cook. This recipe is full of flavor. And I love how chicken soaks in all those delicious flavors from the garlic and ginger and the spices. I just love chicken. Yeah, it's usually so good. So also you can check out some of my other chicken recipes in the description box down. So this is how it's looking. And you can see the water has dried up, and now we are frying our chicken in its own oil. At this point you'll be tempted to pick a piece or two. So I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Then in the same pan, I'm going to add cooking oil. just a little bit of cooking oil for frying our onions. Spread the oil, and then I'm going to add onions. That is 1 medium onion. Stir. Cook the onions until soft, and as you can see we have bits of chicken and the chicken oil. This is going to add a lot of flavor to our food. Next, I'm going to add my remaining crushed garlic and ginger. Stir. Then I'll cook until soft. Once the garlic is fragrant, I'm going to add tomatoes. Stir. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir in. Then I'll let my tomatoes cook together with the tomato paste. Then to this I'm going to add salt. And a little bit of black pepper, like a pinch, yeah. Because earlier on we had added spices to our marinated chicken. I love the color. Wow, this is a very nice color. Have that deep red that the tomato has because we added the tomato paste. If you don't like the tomato paste, you can skip that part. It is optional, but it usually adds a lot of flavor to food. This is how it's looking, and my tomatoes are ready. I'm using medium heat to cook my tomatoes. So to this, I'm going to add coconut cream. Stir in the coconut cream so that it can combine together with the tomato sauce. Wow, this is looking good. Then I'm going to reduce the flame to low. I want my coconut cream to cook with the tomatoes, so I'll have to reduce the heat so that it doesn't burn. This is looking amazing. Once my sauce has cooked for about a minute, I'm going to add 1 cup water. Stir in the water, and then I'm going to bring back the flames to medium. Make sure the water is well combined with the sauce, and then I'm going to add my chicken. This is going to be very delicious. Can't wait. So stir in the chicken to combine with the sauce. At this point, I'm also going to squeeze in half a lemon. And then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of sugar, just to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes and tomato paste. And then I'm going to let my chicken simmer for 10 minutes on medium low. So I'm going to garnish with coriander. Stir in the coriander, turn off the heat, and my chicken tikka masala is ready. Wow. My chicken tikka masala is ready, as you can see, and I've already served. So you can pair this chicken with rice, chapati, naan, mashed potatoes, and it will be very delicious. So I hope you try out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Bye.